Just got my fresh delivery today from FedEx. It's my Easy Knit Runner. I've been waiting for this shit for a while now, so let's unbox it together. Alright. First off, security check. All sides, it looks fine to me. What the f? What the? I can't believe this shit. I got some bunch of old clothes like this tee and a shorts. What the f? Like somebody worn them already. The shit is this? And what's this? Comfort Babe bath tissue? What is this? Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Obviously not a good unbox experience. I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't even know what to do. They gave me this bath tissue. I don't know, to wipe out my tears.